Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term Philly Sidecar. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, Philly Sidecar is a cocktail mixing technique that originated in Philadelphia. People use it when ordering or discussing cocktails with a unique city inspired twist. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Philly Sidecar first showed up in the early 2000s cocktail scene in Philadelphia. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among cocktail enthusiasts and bartenders. Now let's check out how to use Philly Sidecar in a sentence. Correct example 1. I ordered a Philly Sidecar at the bar, and it had a unique twist compared to the classic version. Correct example 2. Hey, can you make me a Philly Sidecar with extra lemon next time? And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said Philly Sidecar at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using Philly Sidecar right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Philly Sidecar means a cocktail mixing technique that started in Philadelphia's early 2000s scene, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with Philly Sidecar in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.